Ever wondered how the sleek, sophisticated iPhone comes to life? Let's dive into Apple's high-tech manufacturing process, a complex and fascinating journey from design to distribution. It all begins with the meticulous design and engineering phase. Apple's teams, comprised of talented designers and engineers, meticulously plan every detail, from the phone's overall size and shape to the internal components, and their precise placement. The aesthetics are considered, as are the user experience, and the overall functionality. Prototypes are then created, representing different iterations of the phone. And these are rigorously tested. Apple puts these prototypes through a series of demanding tests to ensure the final product meets its famously high standards for performance, durability, and user experience. This includes drop tests, environmental simulations, and intense performance evaluations. Next, the process moves to sourcing the necessary materials. Apple sources components from a vast network of suppliers located across the globe. These include processors from companies like Qualcomm or Apple's own silicon, stunning displays from Samsung or LG, high-quality cameras from Sony, and a myriad of other specialized components, each playing a crucial role in the phone's functionality. Stringent quality control is paramount throughout this stage. Every single component received from suppliers undergoes a thorough inspection process. Apple's quality control teams meticulously check each part to ensure it meets the company's stringent specifications, tolerances, and performance requirements. Any component that fails to meet these standards is rejected. The assembly process itself is a marvel of automation and precision. Highly sophisticated robots and skilled human workers collaborate on the assembly lines, working in perfect sync to put the iPhone together with incredible accuracy and efficiency. The process involves precisely assembling the intricate array of components, including the screen, the powerful logic board, the phone's brain, the energy-efficient battery, and many other critical internal parts. Once assembled, the software is loaded onto the devices. Each iPhone is programmed with iOS, the proprietary operating system that powers the iPhone experience. This includes not only the OS itself, but also pre-installed applications and other essential software components. Following this, the finished iPhones undergo a series of comprehensive and rigorous tests. Every single iPhone unit is subjected to extensive testing procedures,